garlic butter shrimp pasta. Oh yeah, this is amazing right here. So easy to make, and I'm gonna guide you and show you how to make this amazing recipe right here. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video. Drop a comment down below, let me know what you think, and let's get started. So you want to begin by getting a pot of water to a rolling boil. Go ahead and sprinkle in a little bit of salt in there and drop in your pasta. I'm using angel hair pasta, but you could use traditional spaghetti if you want to, or whichever pasta you like. And you want to cook it till it's about al dente. Drain it and set it off to the side. Moving on, I have my pan to about medium. I drizzle a little bit of olive oil as well as dropped in about 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. You want to go ahead and melt that down, and I'm then going to drop in about a tablespoon of some minced garlic. All right, go ahead and mix that in and let it do its thing. Let that aroma hit the air. Now we are going to drop in about a handful of some grape tomatoes. This adds so much freshness, so much flavor to this recipe. I am trying to inform you. We are also going to drop in some fresh baby spinach. All right, go ahead and get that in there, mix it in. We are then going to drop in a little bit of white cooking wine as well as our dry seasoning mix, which is going to pop up on the screen. Go ahead and get that together and get your food seasoned up. So after about 2 minutes of letting this simmer, you want to add in your shrimp. I'm using medium shrimp that are peeled, deveined with the tail off. Go ahead and get these bad boys in there, and you want to mix them in and let them do their thing. These shrimp cook fairly quickly. I would say about 3 to 4 minutes they are fully cooked. All right, you don't want to cook them more than that. And again, my heat is at about a medium. Okay, rubbery shrimp is a no. So you want to cook these till they are just about perfect. You'll see it start to curl up a little bit. You know it's done. You know what I'm saying? You see the color change or whatnot. You know your shrimp are ready to go. So now that our shrimp is cooked, we want to go ahead and drop in that pasta that I have drained and put off to the side. Go ahead and get that in. Get yourself some tongs and just combine everything. Get all those flavors talking to one another. Just mix it in, all right? And you are pretty much done, ready to plate up. Grab some of this awesome pasta, put it on top of your finest plate, sprinkle on a little bit of Parmesan cheese, and you are ready to bust down. This is a easy, simple recipe, but it's jam-packed with flavor. I cannot wait for you guys to try this one. Make sure you double back in the comments and let me know how you love it, okay? And I will see you on the next video. Deuces.